Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope your celebrations were joyful, whether you stayed up late to welcome 2025 or opted for a quieter evening. I wrapped up my evening early. Celebrating new beginnings doesn't have to wait for a calendar change, after all. However, the start of this year seems perfectly timed to discuss a topic that's already capturing our attention in 2025, the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. And yes, the leaks have started rolling in. Just last night, over on the Nintendo Switch 2 Reddit, a mysterious post appeared showcasing images that are purportedly of the internal hardware of the Nintendo Switch 2. These leaks have ignited discussions across the internet, and it's time to dive into the details. From motherboard images to hints of hardware capabilities, we're dissecting what's real, what's speculation, and what it all could mean for Nintendo's next console. What's in the leaks? The Reddit post, uploaded by a user named MHN1994, contains several images that allegedly reveal the motherboard of the Nintendo Switch 2. While the exact source of these images remains unclear, they appear to be credible. At first glance, even for those who aren't tech-savvy, the design and components align closely with what previous rumors have suggested. The images showcase a distinctly modern design, featuring significant upgrades over the original Switch. Key features observed: dual USB ports. Unlike the original Switch, which only had a single USB port located on the bottom, the leaked images suggest that the Switch 2 will have two USB ports. This addition could signal better support for peripherals, such as external storage or new accessories. Advanced heat shielding. The motherboard shows extensive heat shielding, suggesting that the Switch 2's hardware is designed to handle higher performance levels without overheating. This aligns with expectations that Nintendo aims to deliver a more powerful console while maintaining portability. NVIDIA chipset. One of the most exciting revelations is the presence of an NVIDIA chipset, labeled with the code STW24. While some speculate this is a modified version of the NVIDIA Tegra T239 chip, Nintendo may have opted for a custom chip tailored to their needs. This partnership with NVIDIA could leverage technologies like DLSS, deep learning supersampling, to deliver improved graphics performance and energy efficiency. LPDDR5X memory. The images reveal SK Hynix LPDDR5X memory, with a capacity of 12 GB. This marks a significant leap from the 4 GB memory found in the original Switch. The added memory could open the door for more demanding games and smoother multitasking, although it's likely that part of this capacity will be reserved for system processes. What does this mean for performance? The inclusion of 12 GB LPDDR5X memory and an NVIDIA chipset suggests that Nintendo is prioritizing performance. While it's unlikely that the Switch 2 will match the raw power of consoles like the PS5 or Xbox Series X, the combination of efficient hardware and upscaling technologies could deliver impressive results. DLSS, in particular, has the potential to enhance visual fidelity without requiring massive GPU power. This could make the Switch 2 a capable device for both handheld and docked gaming. Additionally, the improved hardware could pave the way for higher frame rates and better resolutions, potentially allowing for 4K output when docked. This would address one of the most common criticisms of the original Switch, its limited graphical capabilities, while maintaining the versatility that made the console so popular. Backward compatibility, a key question. One intriguing aspect of the leak is the presence of a single cartridge slot. This raises questions about how the Switch 2 will handle backward compatibility with physical games from the original Switch. Some fans had speculated that Nintendo might include dual cartridge slots, similar to the Nintendo DS's support for Game Boy Advance games. However, this does not appear to be the case. Does this mean that backward compatibility will be limited to digital purchases? It's a possibility worth considering. Nintendo has a history of prioritizing physical media compatibility, but the shift toward digital gaming could influence their approach with the Switch 2. We'll have to wait for official confirmation, but this design choice will undoubtedly be a hot topic for fans. How does it compare to competitors? The Switch 2's hardware may not rival the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X in terms of raw power, but it's important to remember that Nintendo rarely competes directly in this space. Instead, they focus on delivering unique gameplay experiences and leveraging innovative technologies. The inclusion of DLSS could allow the Switch 2 to deliver stunning visuals without relying on high-end hardware, making it more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. Moreover, the improved performance could enhance the development of AAA games for the platform. Developers will have more resources to work with, potentially leading to a more diverse library of titles that cater to both casual and hardcore gamers. The bigger picture. Nintendo's approach to the Switch 2 appears to strike a balance between innovation and practicality. The leaked hardware suggests a console that builds on the success of its predecessor while addressing some of its shortcomings. From improved performance and enhanced visuals to better connectivity options, the Switch 2 has the potential to redefine portable gaming once again. However, there are still many questions left unanswered. Will Nintendo introduce new Joy-Con designs to address drift issues? What will the pricing structure look like? And perhaps most importantly, what kind of games can we expect at launch? What's next? With leaks surfacing this early in the year, it's clear that the Switch 2 will be a major topic of discussion in 2025. Nintendo will likely reveal more details in the coming months, but until then, the speculation and excitement will only continue to grow. Whether these leaks are entirely accurate or not, they provide an exciting glimpse into what could be one of the most significant console releases in recent years. In the meantime, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think these leaks are legitimate? What features are you hoping to see in the Switch 2? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in gaming technology. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for tuning in to technology in the future. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.